You got 10 seconds to go. It's like giving an exam. And at this moment, we celebrate pi to 10 places.
We're here at the Town of LaGrange Town Hall, and we're celebrating Pi Day. It's also Math Recognition Day, and I'm here with Dr. Irvin Miller, who has been recognizing the achievement of some young students who have really been making some significant progress in their math studies. And Dr. Irvin, tell us about the significance of this awards today and what it means to these kids who have been working so hard.
Okay. Well, what we've tried to do is we've tried to teach them math beyond what they're learning in school. The philosophy is we put the emphasis on thinking and learning. So they're taught to challenge everything that comes up.
If you really open your eyes and your mind, you will be amazed at what you find. You can grasp and understand so much more with the right mindset. Once he presented something like this to us. He said, 6 plus 7 equals 1. Of course we all said, no, it's 13. Then he urged us saying, well, that's true on a number line, but look on a clock. After that, everything started clicking into place. His math program opens up doors and shows us things we never knew were possible.
The example that Julia gave you with 6 plus 7, when I told them 1, of course, he said, well, it's 13. And they said, well, it depends upon the environment that you're in. And so with this, the children I could see the excitement rising in them as they all of a sudden realized that they were seeing something from a very different viewpoint they had seen before. And that's what I told them was the start of the thinking process.
What does Dr. Miller's program, how does it complement the program that's already in the school system?
I think it's really great because kids can go after school. It's a supplement to their instruction in school. For some kids, it serves as an enrichment to sort of take it to the next level. Kids that have mastered what they're learning in school, but they want to go a little further with it. He provides that extension and that enrichment for them.
They're interested in going beyond whatever they may be achieving in their school operation and trying to just stretch the furthest they can. I think that's one of the reasons I think it's really important that the schools are supporting this operation as well.
So you guys really like math, huh?
Yeah.
Why?
It's fun.
Yeah, it's challenging.
Yeah, it's challenging. I like to do it when I'm bored.
It's like a challenge.
Well, for some reason, I just like staring at numbers and symbols.
About yourself. It's like your self-motivation.
It really gets us to be challenged and to push our limits so we can do much more than we thought we could do.
We are excited because we know that celebrating our children, celebrating their academic prowess, celebrating mathematics is such an exciting thing. Today is exciting.
By saying how incredibly proud I am of these children and what you have done, the achievements that you have rendered today, and all that speaks in terms of your potential. Tackling these issues, math and science, is really about problem solving. If we unleash the power of folks who have a passion for education and empower them at the local level with policies that are flexible, that allow for teachers that are gifted like this to come into school districts and provide the resources, you're going to see excellence. In my view, we should avoid the one-size-fits-all, trying to homogenize graduates. And what you'll see is when you allow for local empowerment, you see great things occur.
What we want to do is we want to build up this recognition so that people will go into this and we get our good minds, where we need them.
It's like when you find a challenge, you find it hard and you want to give up. But once you really conquer that challenge, it just like builds character and it makes you want to like find more challenges. It's like a chain reaction.